Hi, I am Charles Darwin. I am a naturalist, geologist, and biologist. I published the book on the origin of species. This is about my discovery of the evolution of natural selection. I developed these theories after my adventures upon the HMS Beagle. In my travels, I observed that creatures found on the islands were slightly different from the mainland, but appeared to be slightly different. It wasn't until I returned home that I came to a conclusion that species are specially modified to their environments, and that's why they differ. I developed four conditions explaining why this happens. My theory of natural selection by this descent with modification is testable and observable fact. Condition number one, individuals within a population differ. Oh, there are features that differ with populations of the same animal. In our case, the feature that varies is neck length. Our giraffes are, Other giraffes are born with long necks and others with short necks. Condition number two, the differences are at least in part passed from parents to offspring. My idea is that offspring are fairly similar to their parents with some genetic differences. Condition number three, some individuals are more successful at surviving and reproducing than others. In the case of our giraffes, the long-necked individual did not acquire its neck by stretching to grab the leaves. Instead, individuals within the population were born with a neck length that was longer than others. Because a longer neck allowed them to reach the food that was higher up the trees, it gave them an advantage. Condition number four, the successful individuals succeed because of variant traits they have inherited and will pass to their offspring. Giraffes with the longer neck advantage are in better health and able to pass this feature to their offspring. Because this trait is more successful than shorter necks, more individuals in the population have it. Over time, this process can result in populations that specialize for particular environments and may eventually result in emergence of new species. In other words, natural selection is an important process, though not the only process, by which evolution takes place within a population of animals. Let's review. Individuals within a population differ. The differences are at least in part passed from parents to offspring. Some individuals are more successful at surviving and reproducing than others. The successful individuals succeed because of variant traits they have inherited and will pass on to their offspring. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.